everyone, here is a really quick way to create a padded stitch satin look using that couching technique. Yes, I am probably mispronouncing that, and I can just see the comments explaining it to me now. Anywho, I am using that border de special, however you say it. It's also known as cotton border. You could use floush if you wanted to instead. Now I'm starting with size 25 since this is going to provide some padding to this monogram, and this monogram is on the small side, so 25 is kind of a good middle ground size. So I begin by coming up at the top of my H, and then I go down at the bottom of my H, and I repeat that 3 times. The idea is that you're building the padding with these stitches. So in my case, I chose a serif font, is that how you say it? The one with the tabs. I'm also padding those little tab areas. Then I make my way to the curve of the H, and this is where that couching that I'm mispronouncing, that technique is going to come into play. I just lay the thread over the curve area so I know that I have the correct length, and then I use my thumb to hold it down so I don't pull my thread too short. And again, I repeat this process 3 times to provide padding for my monogram. You could go more than 3 times if that is what you desire in your case. It is sewing, you do you. And then I take this ultra fine thread, and to be completely honest, I have no idea where I got it. I actually think that someone gave me, a friend from Savannah gave it to me. It says 180 on it, so maybe that's 180 weight. I don't know. It is super fine. The point what I'm trying to make is just get some really fine thread and use that, yeah, Henry, and use that to pin the thread down to the curve area of your monogram. So in my case, I'm pinning down the curve of this H. So I go from just one side of that curve so the thread lays on top of my H, if that makes sense. Then I tied that off by going through some of the cotton border thread twice, which creates a loop, and then I go through that loop and pull it tight to cinch that down. Oh, and this is also the way that I tied all my thread. I just forgot to film that. So then I continue the rest of my monogram in that same manner. You can see I've gained a bit of padding here, and like I said, you could do more than 3 layers if you want to, but my monogram is smaller, so 3 layers looks proportional to me. Then I take that same cotton border, but this time it's in size 30. This size is smaller than 25, so it'll give a more delicate look. And then I loop it through the back of my work to secure it down, and then I just do the satin stitch. So I just go from one side to the other side, and I keep that separated by 1 thread width. That way I don't have any of my satin stitch overlapping. You don't want them to overlap. That gives a really messy look. So you want them 1 thread width apart from each other. I hope that makes sense. And you just want to cover all of that padding. You want to keep your stitches perpendicular to the letter's edge. And to get a really nice clean transition, it's helpful to angle your needle so you take a smaller bite, if you will, around those padded stitches. And this makes everything look really nice and tidy, and just it makes it look together. I don't know how to say that. And there you go, a quick way to achieve the padded satin stitch look. I hope this video was helpful. If y'all have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. And as always, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I hope to catch y'all next time.